only see the signs that you did.
No cause.
Coming from someone I sent.
Bola Tinubu is set to commence his defense of the petition filed by the People's Democratic Party and Atiku Abubakar, challenging his declaration by INEC as president-elect on Tuesday. This follows the close of defense by INEC, which is the first respondent in the petition. INEC called just one witness, an ICT expert, Dr. Lawrence Bayode, who testified that even if results were not electronically transmitted, it would not affect the integrity of the election. Bayode also tendered what he called a cloud trail log indicating supposed glitches encountered in the process of upload of results. But under cross-examination, the witness said the commission did not report the glitches to the INEC cloud services provider, Amazon Web Services Incorporated.
I don't understand how all of this.
The witness also read a part of the final copy of the report of the European Union Election Observation Mission report, EU-EOM, to Nigeria, which stated that only 31% of the results formerly uploaded on the INEC Results Viewing Portal, IREV, were mathematically correct. But INEC, Tinubu and the APC vehemently objected to the admissibility of the report. During cross-examination, counsel for Tinubu, Wole Olanipekun, asked the witness if the results transmitted electronically or manually would not affect the integrity of the election, and the witness said it wouldn't. Counsel for APC, Lateef Fagbemi, asked the witness if INEC doesn't have an electronic collation system, since results were collated manually. The witness affirmed that the commission does not have any. Fagbemi also asked the witness if he was aware that INEC had published in the Tribune newspaper a few days before the elections that it would not transmit results electronically, and the witness said yes. Counsel for the PDP, Chris Uche, on his part tendered the European Union Observation Mission final report and asked the witness if he had seen it, but the witness answered that he was aware of the report and hadn't seen the content of the report. Although the respondents objected to the report's admissibility from the EU, the witness was made to read out page 6 and the report's first sentence, which stated that only 31% of the results formerly uploaded on the IREF server were mathematically correct, while stating that not all results were uploaded before declaration of Bola Tinubu as president. The witness noted that no formal report was sent to Amazon Web Services by the Commission on the issues encountered. After the cross-examination by parties in the matter, the five-man panel adjourned for Tinubu, the second defendant, to open defense.